Hey everybody, it's Blaise here, and welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to sit here and do some animation for you. And I'm going to do it old school. We're going to go back to paper again. I want to show you how we did it back in the old days, and we're going to shoot it, and we're going to show you what it looks like. I wanted to show you, so many people get caught up in locomotion and how to move things and make it look convincing. Well, I want to show you that you can do that, but you can also get some attitude into it. And so I want to do something a little bit complex today. And so I'm going to animate a character skipping. And skipping, it brings happiness and joy. And so that's the attitude. We want to try to get happiness and joy into our animation. And we're going to do it through a character skipping. And like I said, skipping can be kind of complex to figure out the mechanics of as you're animating. But I want to show you here that it doesn't have to be that bad. So why don't we go ahead and dive in.